Fundamental of real estate. What is real estate? Real estate is the land along with any permanent improvements attached to the land, whether natural or man made, including water, trees, minerals, buildings, homes, fences, and bridges. Real estate is a form of real property. It differs from personal property, which are things not permanently attached to the land, such as vehicles, boats, jewelry, furniture, and farm equipment. Real estate is a class of real property that includes land and anything permanently attached to it, whether natural or man made. There are five main categories of real estate: residential, commercial, industrial, raw land, and special use. You can invest in real estate directly by purchasing a home, rental property, or other property, or indirectly through a real estate investment trust. Residential real estate. Any property used for residential purpose. Examples include single family homes, condos, cooperatives, duplexes, townhouses, and multi-family residences with fewer than 5 individual units. Commercial real estate. Any property used exclusively for business purposes such as apartment complexes, gas stations, grocery stores, hospitals, hotels, offices, parking facilities, restaurants, shopping centers, stores, and theaters. Industrial real estate. Any property used for manufacturing, production, distribution, storage, and research and development. Examples include factories, power plants, and warehouses. Land includes undeveloped property, vacant land, and agricultural land. Farms, orchards, ranch, and timberland. Special purpose. Property used by the public such as cemeteries, government buildings, libraries, parks, places of worship, and schools. How the real estate industry works. Despite the magnitude and complexity of the real estate market, many people tend to think the industry consists merely of brokers and salespeople. However, millions of people in fact earn a living through real estate, not only in sales but also in appraisals, property management, financing, construction development, counseling, education, and several other fields. Now, real estate project life cycle. The real estate project life cycle thus means to make you aware about the whole cycle of real estate. You could be able to know about what are the steps involved in real estate and how the whole real estate process is aligned. This also tells you about the players involved in this process. These are many persons involved in construction of an apartment. The main players are the developer, architect, lawyer, RCC consultant, contractor, and marketing team. Now, roles and responsibility of main players. Like developer, the duties of a builder are that our construction should be made on land legally in his possession and not on any disputed or agricultural land. All building laws shall be followed during the construction of the building. The construction material used should be standard. Now, architect. Mostly one architect is assigned for a particular project. The architect checks the plot and suggests the builder about the type of construction that could be made in that area. Architect collects almost all the legal documents and submits them in the government corporation. Lawyer. A lawyer could bring to your attention proposed terms home buyers often do not consider, even though such terms could save them time and money. A lawyer can explain the difference and decide which is best for your specific situation. Once comfortable with the contract's language, the lawyer will oversee the execution of the contract by both parties. RCC consultant. A RCC consultant decides how to give structure to the plan provided by architect. He manages materials required for construction. A testing report or certificate is required from RCC consultant for which it investigates the materials to be used for construction, and after that the construction is started. Contractor. A contractor is a person who takes responsibility of a particular task and completes it within a limited time period. There are generally six types of contractors present in real estate. They are construction contractor, brickwork contractor, tile contractor, painting contractor, light meter cable work contractor, lift contractor. Now, marketing team. After completion of the whole project, the marketing team responsibility starts. The main aim of the marketing team is to promote the sales of the apartment. A marketing team must contain good marketing strategy, sales office, sample flats, well-designed browser, trained and smart sales team, expert accountant, marketing budgeting, collection planning, develop the marketing channels.